Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Wednesday, 6th of April. And what's going on with Bitcoin, guys? I've actually seen Bitcoin. A lot of people are bored right now with the movement of Bitcoin, and we do know that these are some boring movements. And I'm here on the 1 hour time frame. We talked about the 1 hour time frame yesterday, and I did mention the fact that you're actually breaking out of a resistance here, but you made a fake out back then, and you made a fake out here once again. Okay, so that's not like still ideal for Bitcoin to go to the upside, but it doesn't mean that Bitcoin is in danger either. So what I'm gonna say is that you in the 1 hour time frame you just came down like this and put a nice look good in bear flag right there, and you're actually looking to go to 44,437. Okay, so this is where you do have previous supports as well. This is like a demand zone right over here. It's now there's nothing negative with coming down to 44,400 because that's where you had your previous support. You had your support right here. You might come down once again and you might find support right over there. But be mindful of one thing. The only thing that I see is that Bitcoin is now trying to, if it does come down to this level, then you might be putting in a descending triangle, which is a bearish pattern. Do you get my point here? So if things start to actually go to the direction of the descending triangle, I'm going to tell you what's going to happen. You take the top to the bottom. If you start to break to the downside, of course, you're going to see Bitcoin, if it does come near the apex somewhere here, take you all the way down to 41,000 $53. Okay, so that's where you're actually going to retrace to the downside, and that's going to be a whooping drop from there to there, nearly 7%, which could even mean a bigger correction for the altcoins as well. Okay, so you don't want to lose this level. But one more thing is that unless you're not breaking to the downside, unless of course once again I told you before, you're not losing 44,200, then that's okay. If that's completely fine, completely totally fine for us to be in this direction and situation right now. So I do, but in the near short term, 44,400 is there based on that bear flag. And on the daily though, I want to see how the EMAs are holding up with Bitcoin. So let's turn on the EMAs over here, and yep, you're actually bouncing off the 20 EMA. So that's something actually. Did you actually go to 44,500 yesterday? I think you did, yeah. And from here, guys, you actually finally lost the 10 EMA. You came down to the 20 and you're holding the 20. So you really want to hold the 20. Otherwise, come down maybe to the 55. But the 55 is not going to hold if you start to come down, because all you're going to be doing is you're going to be putting a descending triangle to basically go to 40,000 or 41,000, which is the technical target. So are we gonna hold the 20 now that you've lost the 10? That's the question that I want to see answered basically. So to me, this might be still be the end of the correction, because by the end of the day, you're still holding support. You're not losing any structure. You're not losing it, because nonetheless you still have one touch here, two, three, four as resistance, and now one and two, and you're bouncing off support. So it's completely okay. And keep in mind that you can still break to the upside. You can break to the upside, and the apex comes by 11 of April. So by 11 of April here, you're gonna actually have an answer, maybe to the downside, maybe to the upside. Go to the downside 41k, pop to the upside back to 48,000 and above to 53k. But my take is still to actually go to 53k. Nonetheless, you're still holding support. You have a double bottom right here. Okay, that's a structure you broke out, came back for the retest, and you're still holding the support level. Okay, nothing else than that. And that's it for this Bitcoin update. If you guys want to learn the trading as I'm doing, you can check out my trading course, and you can pay $29 with crypto. Just join the Discord, the link is in the description, and message me on Discord, and I'm going to tell you how. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love it.